little chicken. In her head, it's like.
Make her dance.
Dance.
Dude, if we sped this up like half a second, oh my god.
Shake your little tail. Shake her butt.
Oh my god.
Hold it a little bit further.
Because she's shaking her head.
Wait, are you catching the fact that the other cats are just watching?
Because they're like, dude, you are retarded.
It's a circle, yo. It's a dance circle.
Circle
You
food.
do a backspin.
Up the wall, higher.
All right.
Do it real quick up the wall. Straight up.
Her head is hilarious. She's like,
Her head is going.
That's why I told Patsy, I said, I'm going to trade you my 3 cats for your 2 dogs, and they're going to eat all your mice.
Gimme.
Yeah, what we need to do is we need to take this video and strip all the audio of us laughing and put like some fucking like techno song to it.
One of us audio and then one of the techno songs.
Baby, don't hurt me.
With her head.
It sped up like half a second.
Or you could like throw some headphones on and listen to a song and make her dance to the song. And then play.
Wait, somebody scoop her up. Is she making the face yet?
I like
I don't know why
I like
she's
it.
not.
Yeah, I'm sure she is.
She's so tired.
Oh yeah.